I, J.R. Rakesh of MBA, on behalf of AmiConnect Marketing Club, have the privilege to welcome you all to our fun event, Brand Hawk. I welcome Dr. Venkatesh sir, Dr. Sunil Rao sir, Dr. Latangi ma'am, Head of Amity Bangalore, all the faculties and my fellow mates from MBA and BBA. I request Dr. Sunil Rao sir to speak a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir, you
Right.
are
So
audible.
very nice. The word is very catchy. When you say brand, so the brand is very important. For example, I can take an example like Xerox, okay, or Bisleri. So if you talk all these things, no, immediately we get into touch with the services what they provide, right, or the benefit what we get, right. So that's what the brand is, taking the utmost priority in the customer's mind. Okay, so where we position ourselves in the customer's mind. In the same way, each and every Amitian should be a priority for all job seekers today, job givers today. So we have to get ourselves branded in such a way that yes, we have to give such kind of service. We have to get equipped in such kind of knowledge so that we can deliver them and we can stand prioritized in in their mind. So right. So this is one thing catchy word actually, the brand. So always keep remember that whatever you do, so can I improve in brand perspective? Okay, it may be work culture, or it may be yourself, or it may be your behavior, whatever it is. So for example, if you have a business, you think how can I build my brand? Or if you have working in some companies, you can always think how I can how can bring value, or how can I increase value in the services through services so that I can prioritize, or we can prioritize our product in the customer's mind. That's very important. So once you start doing it, automatically our value increases. So with this note, I really appreciate the this club. It's very interesting. In fact, it is we are in the verge of this academic sessions now, but still very interesting brand activity, brand word what you used is really liked. Okay, so I would like to see more. Of course, I'll be seeing further also in the upcoming semester. But who are all in the final year and who are all in the verge of leaving the college or institution, please don't forget this word brand always. Okay, so take it as a priority and work on it. Okay, so with this note, I thank everyone, one and all, to give this opportunity to address you people. And also our Dr. Venkatesh sir has morning called me and he said, I'll try to join, otherwise please convey my wishes to all the students and staff, faculty members on his behalf. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, sir. I welcome our participants for being a part of our fun event. Wish you all the best. I now introduce the team participants. Team Bad Boys, Jaishankar and Shambhavi. Team Titans, Dilna Fatima and Arvind. Team Lion Kings, Azad and Radheshyam. Team Mavericks, Trijay. Team Southside Serpents, Gaurav and Deepshika. I now request Akshat and Pranav to take over the first round. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here, our beloved faculties, our dear students, and all the beloved participants. It's our pleasure to have you here today. I, Akshat Vipul, the events head of AmiConnect Bangalore, welcome you all to round one of our event. To familiarize you with the rules of the round, Pranav, can we please have you?
Good morning, everyone. I am Pranav, Deputy Events Head of AMI Connect. Kanika, can we have the slide? Okay, so the round one is congregate. So I'll be explaining you through the rules and regulations of this round. So every team will be given 3 slides. The target is to solve as many as in order to win the round and gather as many points as possible. Failure to match correct combinations will lead to no addition of points. Each team will get 10 seconds for their time. Next slide, Kanika. So I'll give you a demo. There are 4 companies here and there are 4 cues related to them. You will be getting 10 seconds each to match them. So the answer for this demo slide would be this. So the founder is Robert Lansky, Volkswagen, Daimler Faust, Alliance, Carl One Theme, and Microsoft was founded in 1975. So for team 1, that is team Bad Boys, here's your question. Your time starts now. Time's up. Team Bad Boys.
Alibaba is China.
Okay.
And Walmart is Sam Walton.
Okay.
Then Shambhavi, do you have any guesses?
They're left with 2 more, right? They can just
Yes.
guess.
You can give a random guess. Your time is ticking.
Okay, Honda, Kate Taylor and Tencent Games 1998.
Okay. Can we have the answers, please? Okay.
So his guess worked, Pranav.
Yes, the guess worked. Akshat, can we do it for second team?
The question for team 2, that is Titans. Can we please have the cue card? Now.
Toyota is 1937.
Dilna, can you be a bit loud?
Yes, ma'am. Toyota is 1937. Dream 11 would be Bhavit Sheth, and BP.
Electronic OnePlus. BP.
Yeah, okay. And BP is London.
So Rusty is London.
Your time's up. Thank you. Okay, Pranav, can you show them the answers?
So Pranav, in this round, they have to find the connection with the left-hand side and the right-hand side, right? They have to find the connection.
Yes, ma'am. As I mentioned in the demo, there are 4 domains which we give, and we are giving 4 companies. So they have to match them. So for team 3, that are the Lion Kings, the next question for them is, your time starts now. Time up. Can we have the answers?
Cheat, first one. Second one is Amazon. Fourth one is Philips. Third one, I don't know.
I give answers. First one is Seat. Second one is Amazon. Third one is Oyo, and fourth one is Philips.
Okay, let's check the answers. We have the answers, Kanika. Amazon, Oyo, and Philips. That's a good guess. That's a good game. So there's a lot of competition now.
Guys, just a reminder, only one team only both of you can answer, but only one answer has to be given out. Over here, one team member had a different answer and the other one had a different answer. So please make sure you guys come out with one answer.
Yes,
Next
Akshat,
question.
that's a good suggestion. They need to give a common answer. So did they manage to get all the answers this time?
Yes, ma'am, they did. Can we have the cue card for the 4th team, that is Mavericks, Vijay? Vijay, do we have you here?
We have Rajendra as well and PJ. Both of them are participating.
Okay.
So this team, both participants are there. Kanika, can you call them out again? Their names, please.
Rajendra and PJ, are you here?
Yes, we are here.
Yes, we're here. We're here.
Okay, go ahead with the question. Pranav.
First
So
one
guys,
is
this is
make
your
my
question. You
trip.
have 10 seconds now.
First one is make my trip.
Yeah, continue.
Second one is Facebook. Third one is Redbus. Fourth one is LG.
Okay. I guess you mixed up one of them, right?
No, I cleared.
Okay.
First one is Ranveer
Pranav,
Singh.
can you go ahead?
Sure. I think the scoring team will tell us who was correct and who was not. So moving on again to the second question to the first team, that are Team Bad Boys. The question is this for you. Your time starts now.
Tencent is PUBG Mobile.
Okay.
No. Okay. Then it's a guesswork. So Ford is the third one, Palo Alto.
Okay.
HP is 1903 and Samsung 1938.
Let's check the answers. Tencent is PUBG Mobile, Ford is 1903, HP is Palo Alto, California, and Samsung is 1938.
Pranav and Akshay, you forgot to ask the last team the question. Gaurav and Deepshika. Just go ahead.
Okay,
with that.
sorry for that. Okay. Sorry for missing the team Southside Serpents. The next question will be for you.
1 minute. Somebody just removed me from the meeting. So could you guys please fix that?
All right, we'll make sure that doesn't happen again. Just a second.
So this slide is for me and Gaurav.
Yes.
All right. Can I answer?
Yes, can we have the answer?
Yes.
So I think Dream 11 is India.
Okay.
Aramco is Saudi Arabia. And 1987 is Huawei. And the last one is obviously guesswork. William Knox is that green thing.
Deepshika, can you identify that logo?
I'm sorry, ma'am. The second one, I'm not sure. I figured out the three, and obviously the fourth answer should go for the logo.
So the logo is BP, I guess, Pranav.
We'll check now. Can we have the answers?
Yes, ma'am, it's BP.
Pranav, read out the answers, no? This slide, if you can, in this.
Yeah. Kanika, can we change the slide?
Pranav, is the slide visible? The answer slide?
Yes. Yes, now it's visible. So for Hawaii, it's 1987. BP is William Knox. Aramco is Saudi Arabia, and Dream 11 is India.
Yeah.
Next question, Team Titans.
I'm sorry, I just got disconnected. I'm back. This is for team 2, that is Titans.
Rakshat, you can mention for which team it is.
It is for team 2, that is Titans. I'll tell their participant's name in just a second.
It's Dilna and Arvind. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. That's Dilna and Arvind.
Walmart. USA Walmart. 1+4 8 Lewis.
Oyo is Sono Sood. And Volkswagen is 1937.
Can you please see the answers?
The slide is already there.
Yeah, now we can see it.
Yeah.
Good job, Team Titans. The next team. This is the second
So
question.
is Pranav, is Sonu Sood the current celebrity endorser for Oyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So probably 1 or 2 connections we can show in the next slide.
Sure. Team Lion Kings, this is for you.
First one is LG. Second one is Make My Trip. Third one is Philips. Fourth one is Honda.
Okay, let's check the answers. Make My Trips. Great answer. So LG, it's Lewis Hamilton. Make My Trip, it's Deepak Kalra. Philips is from Netherlands, and Honda was started in 1946.
Pranav, regarding number 2, so Deep Kalra is one of the initial entrepreneurs who started in the travel sector.
Ma'am, unmute ma'am.
Pranav, the number 2, Make My Trip, Deep Kalra. So he's one of the initial entrepreneurs in the travel sector, and he's from IIM Ahmedabad. So he's still looked upon in India for being the first entrepreneur in the travel segment.
Yes, ma'am. Currently, he is the CEO of Make My Trip as well.
Correct.
Can we please have team number 4 next? That is Trijay and Rajendra, Mavericks. Can we please have the question? Your time starts now. Trijay, Rajendra, do we have you here right now?
Yes, we're here. The first one is Alibaba. The second one is Amazon. The third one is Allianz. And the fourth one is Redbus.
Can we see if they've gotten their answers right? Good job, guys.
Trijay, your answers are right. Can you mention the connection between Amazon and Amitabh Bachchan? If anyone has
I know for a fact that he's not going to be associated with any of the other brands of air. So it was a calculated guess.
Oh, good. Okay. Trijay, you can be good. Next.
Yes, for the next team, that is Southside Serpents, this is a question for you. Your time's up. Gaurav and Deepshika, do we have you here?
Yeah. Can I tell the answer?
Yeah.
Flipkart is Karnataka. Then HP's David. Ford is Farhan Akhtar. Then Aramco is 1933.
Let's check the answers. Right. As he said, Aramco is 1933, Flipkart is from Karnataka, India, Ford is the Farhan Akhtar, and HP is David Packard.
Can we have the next question for Team Bad Boy? That is Sambhavi and Jaishankar. Okay, the time starts now. Sambhavi, Jaishankar, can we have the answers now?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Samsung should be South Korea. Walmart should be 1962. Seat, I think it's Akshay Kumar, and Pegabook should be 1958 then.
Can we please see the answers?
Oh.
Next time. Pranav, please take over.
For the next team, that's Team Titans, this is your question.
Philips is Virat Kohli.
Okay.
Dream 11 would be League of Legends.
Okay.
Make My Trip would be 2000 and Tencent Rohit Sharma. Not sure.
Okay. Can we have the answers, please? You missed out on this one. Tencent is League of Legends. Make My Trip is 2000. That was right. Dream 11 is Rohit Sharma, and Philips is Virat Kohli.
Oh, okay.
Can we have a question for Team 3? Team 3, do we have you here? That is the Lion Kings, Asad and Radheshyam.
First one is Huawei. Then second one, think Microsoft. Third one is Oyo. Fourth one is hope so Toyota.
Can we please check the answers, Kanika?
Those are the right answers.
Those are right answers. Thank you.
Yes. Moving on to the fourth team, Team Mavericks. The next question's for you. Can we have the answers, please? Raja and Rajendra.
Robert Downey Jr. for OnePlus.
Okay.
Japan is Honda. South Korea is LG, and the National Socialist is Volkswagen.
Can we check the answers, please? Well, that's correct. The last question for the next team, that's Southside Serpents.
Uh,
Can we have the answers, please?
so I'm yet to tell the answers.
Yes, I was. Kanika, can you shift back the slide? Yeah. Deepshika, can we have that?
Yeah, Ford is Henry Ford. Flipkart is 2007.
Okay.
Make My Trip is 2000.
Okay.
And the logo is Saudi Arabia.
Can you see the answers, Kanika? Guys, just a small request. We're trying to organize an event over here, and if you guys are not going to help us out by coordinating with us, it's really depressing, and you have been removing our team organizers and event organizers. Please refrain from doing such things. Thank you.
Akshat, can you be loud? I think there was a little bit of lag.
Ma'am, I was saying we are really trying to organize a good event for you guys over here, and
yes, there is some. Yeah, I got that. There is some meeting option problem, so that's been resolved. You can go ahead.
I guess that's the end of round one, Pranav.
Okay.
Yes, that's from this. By this question, we come to the round of end of round one. Can we have the scores, please?
Yes, and the teams qualified for the second round is Titans, Lion Kings, Mavericks, Southside Serpents. Thank you. And now I request Vasant and Pranav to take over the second round.
A pleasant good morning to one and all present here. This is Vasant and my friend Pranav are going to help with the jingles round. So this jingles round is all about the guessing the brand with the audio track. So let's start with the rules and regulations. So here are the rules and the regulations. All the participants should remain silent while the audio is being played. For identifying the right brand associated with the jingle, the team will be awarded 2 points. Only one person from the team can answer, and the participant can only say one brand name, and once it's fixed they can't change it, and the audio can't be replayed more than 2 times, and the judge's decision will be the final. And there will be 3 slides for each team, and there will be a 5 seconds of time limit. So let's start the game.
So for Team Titans, this is your first audio.
Here is the first audio. I'm playing one more time.
Is it
Yes.
Mastercard?
Okay, let's execute the answers. Yes, it's a right answer, Mastercard.
For Team Lion Kings, this is your cue.
Marvel. Okay, let's check with the answers. Yes, it's the right answer, Marvel.
For Team Maverick, the question comes to you.
Any guesses, guys?
Samsung, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, let's check the answer. Yeah, it's the right answer. It's a Samsung.
For the fourth team, that's Southside Serpents, this is your sound.
Any guesses, guys?
So Srinivas, you can call out the team name and ask them. If there is a pass, you can pass it on to the audience also.
Preno.
Team Southside Serpents, that's Gaurav and Deepshika.
Yeah. Can you play the audio once again?
Yeah, sure.
I couldn't hear it. Is it Titan?
Okay, let's check the answer. Yeah, it's the right answer. It's a Titan.
So coming back to Team Titans, the second sound for you.
Any guesses, guys? It's a very easy one.
It was not audible, like we didn't hear anything.
Okay, I'm playing one more time.
I'm not sure about this because it's just I don't understand.
Anybody from the audience wants to answer?
Is it Pepsi or Coke?
Okay, let's check with the answer. Yeah, it's the right answer. It's a Coke. Pranav. Pranav.
How much is the guessing time, Srinivas?
Ma'am, it's a 5-second.
Go ahead then.
Yes. So it's a question for the team 1 Bad Boys. Any guesses? Intel. Okay, let's check the answer then. That's the right answer. It's an Intel. Okay. This question is for the team 2.
Srinivas, be a little louder.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Your voice is not very loud. It's very soft.
Yes, ma'am. This question is for team 2. Any guesses? Any guesses, guys? Okay, I'm playing one more time again.
Akshay,
Yeah?
Axis.
Okay, let's check with the answer. Yeah, it's the right answer. It's Asus. I'm moving down to the third team. Here is the Swift brand.
Keep your microphone closer, Srinivas.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your microphone closer to your mouth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Any guesses?
Who is guessing, Srinivas?
Ma'am,
Srinivas?
team 3, ma'am.
Okay.
Could I hear the audio again, please?
Yeah, okay.
Disney.
Okay, let's check the answer. Yeah, it's the right answer. It's a Disney. Okay, this brand is for the team 4. Here is the audio. Any guesses?
Deepshika and Gaurav, any guesses?
Is it Warner Bros?
Okay, let's move to the answer. Yeah, it's the right answer. It's a Warner Bros. Okay, this question is for the team 5. Any guesses? Any guesses, guys? Okay, I'm playing it again.
Srinivas, which team?
From team 5, ma'am.
Srinivas, one team got eliminated, so this round is over.
Okay, cool.
That boys got eliminated, right? So can we have the scores, Adarsh and Rakesh?
So Kriti, can we put this for the audience, the audio?
Sure, ma'am. We have a few more slides. They can go ahead.
Yes.
Vasanth, you can continue for the audience.
Yeah, sure.
So 1 or 2 slides for the audience, and meanwhile, Kriti, you can get the scores ready.
Okay, this one is for the audience. I'm playing it and again.
Is it MG Hector? MG?
Yeah, let's check with the answer then.
So who's
Yeah,
guessed
it's the right
it?
answer.
Who has
It's an
guessed
MG.
it?
Me.
Oh wow, our faculty is very fast, I can say. And Srinivas, I think the audio round is really interesting because all the audios were played well. Sometimes we can't hear and all, but then I think this round went very well. Can you play one or two more for the audience?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure. Okay. Any guesses? Any guesses, audience?
You tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Starbucks.
It's a Starbucks.
Oh.
Okay. And
So
this is
I
the
guess one last slide, Srinivas.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Netflix.
Yeah, it's a Netflix. Right answer.
Hey, we didn't hear this music at all.
Play once for Srinivas for others.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Netflix.
Ma'am, is it audible?
No. That's why, Srinivas, we can end the round now. We can end the round.
Yes.
Good.
We have come to the end of second round, and the teams qualified for the third round are Lion Kings, Mavericks, Southern Serpents. I now request Kanika and Akshat to take over the third round. Thank you.
Rakesh Latangi ma'am has joined, so she could join now. If you can just ask her to say a few words, please.
Ma'am, welcome to our Brand Hawk event, ma'am. If you could speak a few words.
I feel I'm a part of all your clubs. So, when I join, I see, I feel so happy to see that you're all bringing up a lot of new, ideas and making it happen. Just a feedback is that when you're making this kind of, a quiz, only thing is you keep your voice a little louder so that the, the students are able to hear you and the energy levels has to be high. So just Srinivas has to just maintain that because I think the volume was a little far off and then what happens is if it's not heard properly, then the interest level goes down. So just keep your voice a little higher and then the interest level will all be good. Yes, please continue, Rakesh. Very nicely organized.
Thank you, ma'am. I just want to add here that, some of these rounds they had played in elation. So most of them have worked a lot on the slides. Plus, this is the first time, the new team, I mean, the seniors are passing out. So, with a lot of planning, they've been able to get this all together.
This is what we want our students to do, and I think they're really doing it well. And I think AmiConnect, you people are doing wonders. Good.
Lot of efforts, ma'am. Students since last week they are putting this effort. Since long they are planning, but a lot of efforts have been put to design these rounds and bringing it to a reality.
Yes.
Lot of.
Since BBA 6 is passing out and MBA final year, and we used to have some core teams, so the new team is taking over and they have managed to put everything together. There are some close to 16 members who are core members in this club. So I'm so happy. We faculty are very happy that they are taking the legacy further, and this may be the first time. It doesn't look like they are doing it for the first time. So yes.
That's nice. I think you people also should look forward for the farewell that is going to be happening sometime the last week of this month. Okay, guys, I think this is I thought many of you are here, so the word will spread that the last of this month we are going to have a farewell for the senior batch. So
Virtual farewell.
Yeah.
Virtual farewell.
So all of you should be involved in this. So just please cooperate with the team and then make it happen well for them. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I request Kanika and Akshay to take over the third round.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Kanika, Secretary of AMC, would like to continue with round 3. And first of all, I would all the teams who managed to reach round 3. So our round for the day is taglines. Each team will get 5 seconds to guess the brand name. Each will get 3 taglines and 2 points for the correct answer, and there will be no passing within the teams. We have Lion Kings, Mavericks, and Southside C present. So let's begin. The first question for Lion Kings is, guys, you have got 5 seconds to guess tagline, and your time starts now. Lion Kings.
Monty.
Yes, you're correct. Can we have Mavericks now? Team Mavericks, Rajendra and Trijan. Here's your question. Here's your tagline. Your time starts now.
So, Kanika, the round is that there is a tagline and they have to come out with the brand name, right?
Here's your hint. Can I get your answers, please? TJ and Rajendra, can I please get your answers?
Land Rover.
Yes, you're correct. Is my voice audible now, or is it fumbling?
It's good, Kanika. You can go ahead and like you mentioned in this round, there is a tagline and they have to guess the brand name, right?
Yes.
Kanika, how many teams are there in this final round?
3 teams, ma'am.
3 teams, perfect. Yeah.
The next question for Southside. Is it 5 seconds?
Is it Nikon?
Yes, great, good job. Next we have Lion Kings again. Lion Kings, are you here?
Yeah, I am here.
Yes. So your question is this. Your tagline is the best a man can get. And your time starts.
I think it is Gillette.
Yes, correct answer. The next question, the second question for Team Mavericks. Can we have Team Mavericks here, please? Rajendra and
Yes, we are here.
so here is your tagline. If you want.
It's either Nicotex or Nicorette, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, correct. But now next we have Southside, Gaurav and Dipshika. Akshat, would you like to continue?
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can we have the next question for Southside Serpents? Guys, here's your tagline. You have 5 seconds now.
It's Sony.
Can we please have the answer, Kanika? You got it right. Can we have the next question for the Lion King?
For all the three teams, so all the best.
Guys, here's your tagline. Can we have? You have 5 seconds.
Future England.
Can we please have the answer, Kanika? You got it right. Can we have Team Mavericks? That is Vijay and Rajendra. Can we have?
Yes, yeah.
Guys, you have 5 seconds now. Can we have the answer? Vijay? Rajendra?
Sangla Shack.
All right, can we please move ahead to the next question for Team Southside Serpents? Guys, you have 5 seconds. Deepika and team.
It's M&M's.
Can we see the answer?
You heard me right. It's M&M's.
Yeah, I heard you. Can we? I'm not sure if I can see the slide right now. That's it. Just a second. You got it absolutely right. Can we? Tanika, would you continue?
Just a second. I'll just stop sharing the screen. There's some issue. Give me a second.
Kanika, does anyone need permission for the slides?
No, ma'am. I'll just give me a minute. I'll just.
Yeah, sure. Akshat, be around till she. So Akshat, why don't you share your first round experience, Akshat? How did you people come up with the slides, Akshat?
I guess the slides had already been made for Elation, but even during Elation, I guess the whole team, that is Kanika, Kriti, Samruddhi, and Rajendra, Adat, all of them worked hard to make such creative slides, and it was really during Elation, it was really fantastic to see such creative work being put forth in front of other colleges.
Yes, true, Akshat, and I think that guessing of the answers is one thing, but coming up with questions, right? Like in each slide, I saw. I was expecting just 10 slides, but you and Pranav and the others, you have put 15 slides, and on each slide there is one brand. So you can actually say that there were close to 70 to 80 brands, and trying to find out a connection between each of them. I think making the question slide was a humongous task, and your core team has done very well. And Akshat, I know that in events you are there, and you are ably now supported by one of the other BBA junior, Pranav. So we are looking forward to more events in the coming semester.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, there is draw right now. So Kanika will be putting up 2 more questions and they have to raise their hands.
Yeah, Samriti, can I have you on camera, please? You and Kanika both.
Ma'am, just a second.
Yes, yes. So are we at the end of the round 3?
No, ma'am. I'll be showing 2 more questions for each team. So let's see. So the next question is.
And Kanika, just call out once more. Which are the teams you're going to call out so that they are prepared?
So Lion Kings, can I have you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, your time starts now. Here's your tagline.
Kanika, this round is a tiebreaker round. The teams have to raise their hand. Otherwise, again, it will get the tie.
Cool.
Kriti, can you say that again, please? Say that again slowly. Since there is a tiebreaker, Kanika will be projecting the slide and the one who raises the hand early, right?
Yes, ma'am. Out of the 3 teams, whoever raises their hand first, they will get the point. So we'll have 2 questions.
Yeah. Samriti, can you just tell the team names again, please? Who is in the draw? Okay. Kriti, can you add here, please? Go ahead, Kanika.
Ma'am, this is a tiebreaker round. So, Kanika, you ask the question open to all the 3 teams. We will tell which team.
Yeah. So,
all the 3 teams, right?
Yes, ma'am. Whoever raises the hand first gets the chance, and if they don't raise the hand and just answer, the negative marks.
Can I start with the question?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead fast. Yeah, we are with 10 minutes more.
Guys, you have to guess it fast.
Hallmark.
Shall I answer?
Please tell your team name and then answer, please.
Kanika, everyone has raised their hand.
Ma'am, actually, I'm sharing the screen, so I can't see that.
But Deepshika raised her hand first. I could see it.
Deepshika, can you tell me the answer?
It's Hallmark.
Yes. So the next question is.
Rakesh, just look out who's raising the hand.
It was Gaurav who raised it first.
Can everyone please raise down the hand now? Can.
Right answer.
Ma'am, Rolex. Ma'am, Rolex.
Ma'am, I'll give answer first.
Correct answer. So can we have winners or should we have more questions?
No, this is fine.
Done?
Yeah.
Oh.
Kriti or Samriti, the judging team, are you okay? Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll disclose the results.
So quickly, we just have 10 minutes. Take a minute more and just go ahead.
I'll just announce the results for the 3rd round, and the winner is Southern Serpents. And the runner-up.
Rakesh, still loud, please.
Ma'am, the winner is Southern Serpents, and the runner-up is Mavericks.
Okay, can you please also tell the students' names that the winner are?
So winner of Southern Serpents are Gaurav and Deepshika, and a runner-up for Mavericks is Trijay and Rajendra.
Okay, good. So we have winner is MBA team and runners up are DBA, right?
Yes, ma'am. And now I request Kriti to take over for the vote of thanks. Kriti?
Yes, thank you. Kanika, could you just put the farewell slide?
Sure.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. This also happens to be our last event with our seniors who were part of our AmiConnect team. I would request all the faculties of AmiConnect in particular to please share a few words with experience with them.
Mamta ma'am.
Shanti ma'am, Mamta ma'am.
Gives immense pleasure to have you all here and seniors. I don't know how many of you are there. All of you are there, I believe. And you have given an immense support to a very good support to the AmiConnect and you've made it to grow. Thank you very much for that. There are no words to express your great support to the and bringing up the juniors to this level also. You have guided them so well. Wish you all the very best and I wish you very good luck for the fresh team. Well conducted, programs are well conducted and we need your guidance in future also as for our juniors and we will be calling you in future also to the club activity. Keep in touch with us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mamta ma'am.
So good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. I think as faculty, we have been very lucky to have some very energetic students in our club who like the core team and you can see the photographs, each and everyone, the president Phanindra, Vishishta, Jumana, Ajay, Rohan. So they have been very they've always handled very good events which have not only been informative but they also learn to become leaders and plan. So I feel very proud for the outgoing batch, the outgoing group of AmiConnect. And just like Mamta ma'am mentioned, we now have a new team bubbling with Kriti as the president from MBA and there are all the other core members. So you would have seen most of them were roundheads today. So I can say we are lucky that we've had some good students who've learned about marketing. So just like we have the passion of teaching marketing, our students have taken that and they are totally into this. So we feel very happy and thank you very much to the outgoing students and to the new team that has come into the AmiConnect Marketing Club. So we will continue to do better activities and try to go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shanti ma'am. Rohan and Pani, could you please have you to speak a few words?
Okay. The entire team, thank you, Mamta ma'am, Rajni ma'am, Shanti ma'am, for always being there, like back support system, and it really means a lot. Like this small token of love, it really means a lot. So yeah, thank you again to the entire team, Kriti, Samruddhi, everybody, Akshat and all. So yeah, thank you so much.
Phanindra, can we have you on camera, Phanindra?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, guys. Very nice to see you all again. Our respected faculties and mentors, Dr. Shanti. Ma'am, thank you, ma'am, for calling me a president again. And Professor Rajini and Professor Mamta, Nammisu, Nam Kannadadavaru, and my team, AmiConnect and students. And I want to thank my team. Like they're doing very good. It's not only good, they're doing very best. Even though it was their first club activity, you guys managed very well. Worked for 10 days, as I know. I want to thank Amity Bangalore for making these all clubs and all. And I worked for this president for 1 year, 2 months, where I conducted 19 events with all support of Rohan, Jumana, Akshat, For the poster, I was calling Ajay every time, and my friend Vishwateja. Now I feel AmiConnect is in good hand. Till the end of the year, you maintain the same thing. With a proud, I can say again, thank you one and all. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you so much, Fanindra and Rohan. You both have been the pillars for us.
Thank you, Ma.
Stay blessed always.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll miss you, Fanindra, Rohan. I think these are the only two people from these photos who are present here. So I think we'll.
Ajay is there, I believe.
Ajay is also there. I can't see. I can't see him. Ajay, are you there? I can't see his name.
Yes, Professor Rajni.
Yeah, I was saying, ma'am, how much we are going to miss these energetic minds and energetic students. They have, really done a wonderful job driving the club activities and motivating the juniors now. So all the juniors, you should, you have pretty big shoes to fill up here, and you really have to gear up and match their energy levels. I'm sure they have trained you well, and we hope that you can carry their legacy forward.
And that too, the last 1 year has been all online. So managing that also has been a big challenge for both the old students and the new students.
And surprisingly, we have done more activities online than we did offline, and much interesting activities we have done online. So that's a commendable job.
Quality was good. Quality was good.
Yes, quality was good, right? So many guest lectures, so many student activities. So I think it's a commendable job. All the outgoing students we are definitely going to miss you. And it should be like you should not be going completely out of touch. You should be in touch with all of us, even if you're going to other, your future studies, higher studies, but still be in touch and contribute in any which ways to the campus.
Thank you so much, Rajni ma'am.
Thank you.
So we can go ahead, Kriti.
Thank you, ma'am. Should we close the? Should we do the vote of thanks? Sure. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Kriti Dutt from MBA 2, and as the president of AmiConnect Marketing Club, have the privilege of doing the vote of thanks. Firstly, I would like to thank all our seniors, passing out people who have given us such a wonderful platform to perform and get the teachers' faith and trust to be in the position we hold now. Secondly, thanks to all the participants and all the spectators who gathered here for this wonderful evening. Thanks to our faculty, Dr. Shanti, Professor Mamta, and Professor Rajni. You guys have really helped us throughout in every obstacle we faced. Thank you so much, faculty. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my team members who made it possible